Welcome to this comprehensive guide on email marketing for products. In this series, we'll explore how to leverage email as a powerful tool to onboard, engage, and retain your product users. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for building lasting relationships with customers. Let's dive in. Why does email marketing matter for your product? First, it delivers the highest return on investment of any marketing channel, with $42 returned for every $1 spent. Second, email is a direct communication channel that you own completely, without relying on algorithm changes from social media platforms. Third, every metric is measurable and scalable, allowing you to optimize continuously based on data. Finally, email helps you build genuine relationships with users throughout their entire journey with your product. Understanding the user lifecycle is fundamental to email marketing success. Users progress through 5 key stages. First is awareness when they discover your product. Next is onboarding, where they take their first steps. Then comes engagement, where they actively use your product. After that is retention, where you build long-term loyalty. Finally, if a user becomes inactive, you enter the re-engagement phase to win them back. Email campaigns should be tailored to address the specific needs and behaviors at each stage. Onboarding campaigns are your first opportunity to make a great impression. The primary goals are to build rapport with new users and educate them about your product's value. A typical onboarding sequence starts with a welcome email sent immediately after sign-up, creating a positive first impression. This is followed by a getting started email that provides step-by-step setup guidance. These emails should be friendly, concise, and focused on helping new users experience quick wins with your product. Engagement campaigns keep active users interested and deepen their relationship with your product. These campaigns showcase advanced features that users may not have discovered on their own. Share tips and tricks that help users get more value from your product. Provide educational content like best practices and case studies that demonstrate real-world success. Foster community engagement through webinars, events, and user-generated content. The goal is to increase feature adoption and product usage over time. Retention campaigns focus on building loyalty and preventing user churn. Implement loyalty programs that reward users for continued engagement. Offer exclusive benefits and early access to new features for your most loyal users. Create win-back campaigns specifically designed to re-engage inactive users with personalized offers and reminders of your product's value. Establish feedback loops by regularly asking for user input and demonstrating that you listen and act on their suggestions. Retention is more cost-effective than acquiring new users. Automation is the key to scaling your email marketing efforts. The core principle of automation is sending the right message to the right person at exactly the right time, all without manual intervention. Automated campaigns are triggered by specific user behaviors or lifecycle events. For example, when a user completes a purchase, a confirmation email sends automatically. When a user hasn't logged in for 30 days, a re-engagement email triggers. This ensures timely, relevant communication at scale. Setting up automated workflows requires defining triggers and actions. A trigger is an event that starts the automation, such as user sign-up, purchase completion, or feature usage. Once triggered, the workflow executes a series of actions, typically sending a sequence of emails over time. For example, a sign-up trigger might launch a 5-email onboarding sequence sent over 2 weeks. Another workflow might trigger when a user hasn't engaged in 30 days, sending a win-back campaign. Well-designed workflows maximize efficiency and deliver consistent results. Segmentation and personalization dramatically improve email performance. Segment your audience based on behavioral data like feature usage, clicks, and purchase history. Also segment by demographic information such as company size, industry, and location. Once segmented, personalize email content dynamically based on user profile. Use dynamic content blocks that change based on the recipient's characteristics. Implement send time optimization to deliver emails when each individual user is most likely to open and engage. Personalized emails deliver significantly higher engagement rates. Measuring success requires tracking the right metrics. Open rate measures how many recipients opened your email, indicating subject line effectiveness. Click rate measures how many recipients clicked a link, showing content relevance and engagement. Conversion rate measures how many recipients completed a desired action like making a purchase, directly tied to revenue. To optimize performance, conduct A/B tests on subject lines, email copy, and send timing. Analyze which segments perform best. Maintain list hygiene by regularly removing inactive subscribers. Continuous testing and optimization compound your results over time. Follow these best practices to maximize email effectiveness. First, optimize every email for mobile devices, since 60% of opens happen on mobile. Second, include a single, clear call to action that guides readers toward one desired action. Third, test everything continuously to improve performance. Now, avoid these common mistakes. Don't email too frequently or with irrelevant content, as this leads to unsubscribes. Don't ignore list health by keeping inactive subscribers, as this hurts deliverability. Don't skip analytics and testing, as continuous improvement is essential to success. Let's recap the key takeaways from this guide. First, email is the highest return on investment marketing channel, so invest your strategy and resources accordingly. Second, lifecycle campaigns tailored to each user stage drive engagement and retention. Third, automation scales personalization without requiring manual effort for every user. Fourth, data-driven optimization transforms insights into measurable revenue growth. By implementing the strategies discussed in this series, you'll build stronger customer relationships and unlock the full potential of email marketing for your product.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.